Accelerate in my replay. I'm taking off on the